right. Let's go fly. Camera's on and filming, mic's recording. Let's take another quick look at this. Yeah, there's no wind. This should be pretty good today. All right. It's good to get down here in the morning when there's nobody here and there's no wind yet. Let's do some flap action. Flaps. Half flaps will do. And then nice and smooth. No wind today at all. At least yet. Seems like I'm a little nose heavy. Let's see if I can trim it out. Let's get a picture of this jet going by too. Yeah, it's nice, way smoother today than it was yesterday. Bit of up trim elevator. Let's just cut the throttle, see what we glide like today. It's no power, it's just still nose down a little bit, but that's all right. We're just gonna fly it as is because we do have a camera on it. I don't want to mess with the trims too much. We're just going to fly it like it is. Take flaps off. No flaps now. It's just getting bounced around. There's a little bit of wind, but not enough to care. Inverted is weird with the camera on top. It's not filling me with confidence. Let's just fly around for fun. We'll do some loops and rolls at least. We'll get a shot of this airplane going by. talk much when I'm flying because I'm really concentrating, especially with the camera on top. Because, like I say, it's wanting to nose down. I think I'll do it again. Next battery, we'll just push the battery back a little bit. But it's still easy to fly. Look how stable she is. Just cruising. Yeah. There's our timer. Yeah, I can hear it. It's pulsing. Let's bring her in. Yeah. Nice one.